Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to be showing you how I plan on stopping that squeaky noise that's currently coming from my steering wheel when I turn the steering wheel, whether it be driving or parked while the car is on and the steering wheel is moving. It goes and I will be doing a follow-up video to show you the results after I'm done. But what I plan on doing is spraying some WD-40 into this area of a steering column where it connects to that boot. And with my vehicle, what was nice is I don't have to remove any carpets to get to that access point. There was nothing actually there. So this is a 2001 PT Cruiser that I'm working on, and I'm just going to simply spray the joints with some WD-40 in here to hopefully alleviate the problems that I'm incurring. So it's just foaming up there and around. Spread it all in. Yeah, I'm going to spread it up top too. Spread it wherever I can in there. And then I should be good. And what I'll do is I'm going to start the car and I'm going to go ahead and move the steering wheel so that way, you know, I can go ahead and see if the problem fixes itself. I could do that. Instead of doing another video, I could do it probably right now.